road, the only road that I have ever known. Don't know where it goes. I do get directions and things like that, but you know, I'm just having one of those days today. I just thought I'm just going to show you like me. Like I'm just having one of those proper chill days. I'm listening to some music. Enjoying the sunshine, even though I have to wear these hideous glasses because I can't find my ones anywhere. But yeah, just literally loving life at the moment. Beautiful sunshine. Going down to Dartford. Oh, I love it. What more could you want? Open road, music, beautiful weather. Ah, bliss. I'm getting paid for this shit, like, wow. Okay. People get paid for that? Okay. So yeah, basically, just be a bit careful there, because I'm going down a hill and don't want to get over speed. Yeah, so I just wanted to, you know, enlighten you and share that with you. And so, you know what? I'm going to have to show you the view on my other camera. What it looks like today. Now, you might be thinking, well, it's just an empty road. Well, I live down near London, so this is a thing of beauty for me. An empty open road is a rare occurrence. It's almost being spoiled, like this sort of road, and everything to go with it. Oh, it's just bliss. It's bliss. If you're a driver, you understand. If you're becoming a driver one day, you'll understand. And if you're not, then just try to understand. I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm talking crap there. Anyway, see you in a bit. People, so basically I wanted to talk to you about a story that I got told from a friend at a previous job of mine. I'll turn that heating down because it is boiling in here, the sun is beaming through. Yeah, so what I want to say is I want you guys to comment and share your stories of times at work where you've almost been caught out, or you know, you had a problem of some sort at work and it's caused that you needed to use desperate measures, was what I'm trying to say. So once you've heard the story, you'll kind of get the gist of what I'm saying. So basically I worked for a aggregate company. We used to work on the walking floors and delivering sand, stone, all that sort of stuff. And one day he was on his way to a job, and basically he got caught out a bit short. He only had he didn't have enough drive time to make it, so he decided to pull over and have a break, as you do. So when he's pulled over, put it on brake, he's really realised, I really need a poo. So he's been looking around, he's looked up, there's just a bank, grassy bank, no bushes, no verge, nothing. It's just an open bank. Everyone can see you. So he thought, oh, I can't do that. Right, okay. So what does he do? He gets out, he climbs in the back with the sand, crouches down, there's a poo in the sand. I know, right? Desperate times, desperate measures. But that's not the end of it. It gets better. It gets better. So he's had this poo in the sand, and he then arrives to his job. He forgets that he's had this poo in the back of the lorry. It's a long drive, and he starts tipping out his load. So it's they were like walking floors, so it comes out a little bit more gradual than your tipper. So he's emptying it out, and as he's emptying it out, he then sees this poo fly into the hopper. Panicked, he doesn't know what to do. There's not much he can do because he's tipped it in there now. He's just hoping when it goes down in the hopper, it'll get all sort of crushed up, and hopefully it'll be unrecognisable, and that'll be that. No, what happened was obviously the sand stuck to it, and it went up a conveyor belt. I say it went up a conveyor belt. It got a little way up the conveyor belt and kept rolling down. It got up the conveyor belt and rolled down again. This happened for a while. Safe to say he was very embarrassed, but luckily for him, nobody was really around to see it. So he's left. Now all I have in my mind is this image, and I don't know how long it took him to realise, but every time someone tipped something in now, that would have been rolling back down. Or probably not actually, if there was stone tipped in there, it probably would have got dragged up with that, yeah, in there. But anyhow, that is what I was told to share with you, because obviously I was telling this story to a few friends and they found it absolutely hilarious. So I thought, you know what, why not share it with you guys? Yeah, if you like these kind of stories, but this was a real story, but yeah, just, you know, give us a like, subscribe, and if I can think of any more, I'll let you know. I'm not going to make them up. That's not my style. Yeah, if it happened, it happened. If it didn't, I ain't making it up. So yeah, like and subscribe, and see you on the next one. Alrighty guys, alrighty.
I can say I can do the right thing. Come into the dispatch box to correct the record.
Said shush. Bloody radio. Right, this yard is a nice little yard. Nice and tight. Nice and tight. I don't know if he's ready for me. Is he ready for me? Yeah, he's ready for me. Let's go. Right, so yeah, you have to get right over, and then I can't even remember how you do this one. Yeah, no, you gotta go like this. Yeah. Oh dear, it's such a tiny little yard. It's horrid, absolutely horrid. Horrid Henry. Go like this. Then you have to turn around like this. Full shebang. Try not to hit the gate. Ooh, look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. When I make it, when I make it, when I make it, when I make it. Whoa. Just. And you have to pop your head out here like that. Kiss the gate again. Reverse. always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Your support means a lot. So if you can, give us a like, a subscribe, and look forward to seeing you on the next video. Peace out.